Hey, this is Mike from Altair, and we're talking about the Altair Outlaw today, and we're going to do the steps to fly, okay? The first thing I want to talk to you about is that this is not an indoor drone. Do not try to fly the Altair Outlaw inside your house or inside of anywhere. This is a professional quality drone, and it would be dangerous to fly indoors. So please fly only outdoors in open spaces with low wind, okay? So to get started, we're just going to install the battery and lock it. Set it down. You're going to get some beeps and some lights. When it's done beeping, hold the red button down on the top left side of the controller and turn it on. When you see these signal bars here, that means it's connected to the drone. The next thing you're going to need to do is the compass calibration. You spin the drone horizontally 3 times until the lights change like that. Okay, and the lights have changed to a different green color. Now you hold it vertically with the camera pointed down and spin it 3 times until the lights change again. See, so now you've got the yellow and the red. Set it down, and you are now ready to fly. You can unlock the aircraft with the red button on the top left. The propellers are going to unlock, and you can now use the controllers to fly. And to shut it down, you push the left stick down, and it's locked and shut down again. Just once again, be very careful with this drone. It is a drone for ages 14 plus, and it is a drone that you should fly outdoors in open spaces in low wind. Thank you.